Hey guys, I've got a bunch of different mag presses available from AM, and none of them require any type of installation, and I'm about to show you how to use them. So let's just start with the mag presses with the dial control panel. The first thing you need to change is your units. Just hold down the button for about 6 seconds. And now you should be able to change it from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. So in this case, we're using degrees Celsius, then just press the button down. Once you've done that, now we're ready to set the temperature. So first things first, you just press the button once, then you rotate the dial clockwise, and we're going to be setting the temperature to about 200 degrees Celsius for a mag press. We just press the button. As you've just heard, it beeps as soon as it reaches the desired temperature. To fix that, you just press the screen again. So now we just need to set the timer. To set the timer, we have to rotate the dial anti-clockwise. And now we have to select the time that we wished, which in this case we'd want it to be for about 30 seconds. So that should be it. Then we can just press it again. And now we're ready to press the mag. So with this one here, you can just slide it through and then just clamp it in. If it's not sitting well, you can just adjust the diameter of the press by just adjusting these knobs. So these two work on the same principle. So you can just loosen this clamp here, open it up, then you bring your mag, you just insert it like so, then you can just clamp it like this, and then you're done. Seeing as this one here is already ready for us, we can just put our mag through this. In this case, I'm just gonna have to adjust a little bit to get it to fit just the way we want it to fit. I'm happy with this, so now we can clamp it, and now we can just press the screen to begin the timer. And now that it's almost about to time out, it should give us a beep once it's done, just like that. And we can just press the screen again. Now we can take out our mag like this. And just be careful, it is a bit hot. I'm just gonna give it some time to cool off. There you go. You've successfully heat pressed your mag. So at this stage, we can just close our mag press and then just turn it off. Just like that. Now for the automatic heat press with the flat control panels like this. First things first, you need to adjust your unit. You need to power the machine on, just like this. Then you have to hold down the temperature button, this one here. Just hold it down for 6 seconds. Just like that. And then you can use the plus minus to turn it from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. Just like that. When you're happy, you can just press the temperature button like so. And so now we can begin to set our temperature. To set the temperature, you just press the temperature button once, and then you can adjust it to your desired temperature. In this case, we want to achieve the maximum, which is 190 degrees Celsius. You tap the button again to set the temperature. And then now we just wait for the temperature to reach 190 degrees Celsius. And now that we've reached the desired temperature, we can just adjust the time to our desired time by pressing the time button. and then we want the time to be about 30 seconds. Then we'll clamp it down manually. We'll just press the button that says clamp relax, and the machine automatically clamps for us. So that's just about all you need to know about the different mag presses available from AM. Thank you for watching the video, and just remember to like and subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be many more videos just like this one.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.